Hey there, this is CA Ganesh, the founder of Southwards IELTS, and after helping thousands of IELTS test takers get a Band 8 or Band 9, that too on the very first try, now I'm here to help PTE test takers. Do you even know the number one reason why PTE test takers keep on failing the test again and again despite being so good at English, having amazing vocabulary and accurate grammar? You see, the entire PTE test is not the problem. It's only a handful of questions that are problems. Let me show you what I mean.
So, what are the real problems of a PTE test? Let me tell you. From the listening model, it's MCQs. From the reading model, it's reorder paragraphs. From the writing model, it's an essay writing. And from the speaking model, it's a describe an image. Now, these are actual, real, and challenging questions that will stop you from getting your desired score, and your dream of moving abroad or studying abroad will remain just a dream. So, now the question is, what's the solution, right? So, let me discuss that also. Is it taking too many mocks on the internet? Is it doing some practice from random books you see and get? Is it memorizing the list of words you see again on the internet or maybe some Insta handles? Or is it going through a lot of sample essays and templates again you see on the internet or maybe some Insta handles? Or is it watching a tons of YouTube videos? Are these your solutions? Well, let me tell you clearly, these won't work at all. These are ordinary and common solutions that are available to every PT test taker on the internet. Now, if it was really possible to score your desired score on the basis of these ordinary solutions, then I think everybody would score of 80 or 90. But that's not the case, right? Exactly. You need to understand that the questions I'm talking about are very for high-level students and they are designed to make you make mistakes. So you need something unique. So what's the solution? What's the real solution? Well, let me tell you the real solution. All you have to do is learn little known and no fail strategies, and you have to implement them on your test today. If you can do only these two things, guys, your scores are guaranteed. That's all. Only these two things. Now, what are little known and no fail strategies? So let me tell you what exactly these are. These are the strategies that are not available in the public domain. So guys, these are the strategies that are very unique and these are not available to common PTE test takers because these are not available on YouTube, internet and websites. That is the reason why these are known as the little known. These are the strategies that are known only to examiners and a handful of elite trainers. So guys, only and only PT examiners and only a handful of elite trainers know these strategies. It is not possible for a common PT test taker to get in touch with examiners, just not possible. It is possible for a common PT test taker to get in touch with elite trainers, but they charge premium price for their service, quality and expertise. And guys, these strategies work no matter what. That is the reason why these are known as no-fail strategies. If you understand these strategies, if you implement them on your test day accurately, you're going to get the scores, that's for sure. Now, what I'm going to do in this 2-day PT mini course. In this course, I'm going to cover all these little known and no-fail strategies for you, and I'm going to give you the foundation. And then I'm going to break down these strategies into small and manageable pieces. So not only I'm going to teach you what the strategies are, I'm going to break them down into small and manageable pieces by demonstrating them in a step-by-step process so that you understand these strategies and you can implement this on your test day without making any mistakes so that you can get your desired score. But just wait, don't take my words for it. Just check this website and you will see some mind-blowing results of my students and some raw, uncut testimonials. So if whatever I've just said makes sense to you, you're welcome to join my 2-day PT mini course, and together we'll make sure that you get the scores you need. All you have to do is click on the button given on this page, and I'll see you inside the course. Happy learning.